Airbnb short-term rental businesses in Dubai. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever stayed in Dubai hotel, paid AED 1,200 per night and still waited 20 minutes for just toothpaste? Now imagine owning the place the guest is staying in and that AED 1,200 is coming to you. Exactly why Airbnb and short-term rentals are booming in the UAE. Welcome back to 50 Days, Top 50 Businesses Ideas in the UAE. Today's business idea is where real estate meets tourism meets smart income. Why this business is booming? Dubai's short-term rental market is not starting. It has already taken off. As of 2025, Dubai has 23,000 plus registered short-term rental units with average occupancies around 69 to 70%, touching 80 to 83% in peak season. That means most properties are booked more days than they are empty. And the average night rate around 8,600 plus per night. Do the math. Your apartment is working overtime while you are sleeping. Now, here's the real reason this business is loading. People want space, not hotel corridors. People want flexibility, not rigid hotel rules. People want value, not a room service is extra. Basically, the travelers want to live like a local without becoming local. Why now is the perfect time? Tourism is on fire. Dubai continues to attract millions of visitors every quarter, and the city is targeting record-breaking tourism numbers in the coming years. And here's the interesting part. Many tourists now prefer short-term homes over hotel businesses because it's cheaper for families. It's flexible for long stay. It feels more personal. And yes, better Wi-Fi than the most hotels. So demand is rising, supply is regulated, and pricing power is strong. How this business actually works. Now, let's talk about execution, not just Instagram success story. Get your property. It could be your own apartment or villa, an investment property, or even a rented unit, but only with the landlord NOC. Important rule, no NOC, no Airbnb, big headache, and Dubai is very friendly to the business, but not to the shortcut. Second step, get the holiday home license. This is mandatory. You must register under Dubai Department of Economic and Tourism as a holiday home. Without the license, your listing won't survive. Platform can remove you. Fines can follow. With this license, you operate legally. You can list confidently. Guests trust you more. Step 3. Furnish like a guest, not like an owner. This is where many fail. Nobody is booking your place because you love that sofa. They care about comfort, cleanness, internet speed, lighting, and the beds that don't fight. Pro tip, a well-furnished property earns more review and higher profitability. Step 4. Photos, photos, and photos. If there is one place to spend money, spend it there. Bad photos, no booking. Good photos, calendar is blocked. A professional shoot can literally increase clicks, inquiries, and your final rents. People book with the eye first, logic later. Step 5. List on the booking platform. One license, you can list on Airbnb, Booking.com, and other such websites. Yes, they charge a small percentage, but they bring global guests, payment security, and visibility worth it. Just make sure you add your holiday home permit number or your listing won't even go live. Money talk, let's be practical. Short-term rentals in Dubai commonly earns more than long-term rents, especially during peak tourist season, global events, winter months, but expenses exist. License fees, platform commission, cleaning and maintenance, utilities. Still, when managed correctly, many owners outperform traditional rent. Here's a golden tip most new hosts ignores. Treat your Airbnb like a business, not like extra income. Respond fast to the guest, keep check-in smooth, fix small issues immediately, protect your reviews. They are money. Now, here is the truth. Anyone can buy a property, but not everyone can run a compliant, profitable, short-term rental business. And that's exactly where Dungard comes in. We help you understand licensing and regulation. Get your holiday home registration done correctly. Structure your company, set up legally, avoid costly mistakes, and build a rental business that actually performs. Because in Dubai, doing it right is always cheaper than fixing it later. That's day 4 of 50 days, 50 business ideas in the UAE. If you enjoyed this one, the next idea is going to surprise you even more. Stay consistent, stay smart, build a business that lasts.